Meaning of excrete.
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 Excrete. The term excrete refers to the process by which waste products are removed from the body. This can include things like urine, feces, sweat, and other bodily fluids. The result of this process is the elimination of waste materials that are no longer needed or useful to the body. When these waste products are excreted, they are typically transported to organs like the kidneys, liver, or lungs where they can be filtered, processed, and ultimately eliminated from the body through various means. Overall, excretion plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy and functioning body.